हाँ, if the number here it is a zero, okay, यहाँ पे zero है, here there is a minus sign and here it is a plus sign, ठीक है. अब minus sign और plus sign, so whenever the plus sign will come it will be the greater number. अगर plus sign आती है minus sign के आगे तो वो क्या होता है, हमारा ग्रेटर नंबर है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल y, यहाँ से जो भी नंबर जा रहे हैं वो हमारे ग्रेटर नंबर होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू, ओके. अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पर हम लोग ने +4 लिए, ओके, चलो यहाँ पे सर्कल किया हुआ है तो यहाँ पे हम लोग +4 ले लेते, ओके. ये +4 इफ वी हैव टेकन, ओके. और यहाँ पर मैंने ली -6, -6 और +4, लेकिन नंबर 4 is smaller and 6 is greater, but the sign, because of sign the number 4 is greater, +4 is greater than -6. क्योंकि ये माइनस में चला गया तो ये हमारा स्मॉलर हो गया, ये प्लस में है इसी के लिए ये हमारा greater number है. So we will put sign on +4. We will open the say mouth of the sign in front of the 4, okay. Now in this way you have to solve all these questions. Let me explain you again in the form of this, okay. On the number line, every number is greater than the number on its immediate left by 1. What does it means? The same. What I told you, it means the same sentence. Every number line, sorry, on the number line. So this is the number line, okay. On the number line, every number line is greater than on its immediate left. Left means this is your left side, okay. This is your left side. एवरी नंबर इज ग्रेटर, हर नंबर ग्रेटर है. कहाँ से? जब लेफ्ट में 1 आ जाता है वहां तक के हर नंबर जो है उससे ग्रेटर होता है. एवरी नंबर इज ग्रेटर ऑन इट्स इमीडिएट लेफ्ट बाय 1. 1 आने तक के यहाँ पे जितने भी नंबर आते हैं वो इन नंबरों से बड़ा है, ओके. अंडरस्टूड. नाउ वी विल सी इन द प्रैक्टिस सेट. This is your practice set 7. I want every practice set in your class workbook. Huh? Till 6 we have completed now. Into today we will complete till practice set 8. I want each and every question in your class workbook. Huh? Because I am explaining you the whole practice set. See here. Okay. Now see here. Here it is -4 and 5. 5 means it does not have sign. That means it is a +5. So what you will do? You will put a open the mouth of the sign in front of the +5. That is 5. Okay. अंडरस्टूड. यानी कि आपको क्या करना है, यहाँ पे माइनस की साइन पे, लेकिन 5 बड़ा है ऑलरेडी तो हमको यहाँ पर साइन लेना है. सी द सेकंड क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज द सेकंड क्वेश्चन? +8. 8 does not have sign, it means it is a +8. Again and again I am saying why, because some students maybe have not attended the previous lecture. That's why I am saying again and again. So don't get bored. जो बच्चे ने कभी प्रीवियस लेक्चर नहीं सुना होगा उनके लिए मैं बार बार बोल रही हूँ, ओके. 8 sign, 8 does not have sign, that's why it means it is a plus. Whenever the number does not have sign, it means it is a plus. +8 and -10. As I told you that when it immediate the number by 1 from the left side, it will become the greater of the right hand side number. So which is the greater number? 8. 8 is the greater number. Why? Because it is a positive number and 10 is a negative number. अगर हम हमारे पास sign नहीं होती then it will be the 10, but we are having the sign of positive number, that's why 8 is the greater number than the -10. Okay. Now the remaining questions one by one you will say me. See beta, all the student will not get chance. So don't get upset that teacher has not asked me, teacher has not told me to say the answer. Okay, all the student will not get that chance. Okay. Now we will see the third and the fourth one. Okay. Now I will ask to the Suyog. Suyog Muhite. Unmute yourself, beta. Suyog.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, beta. Where I have to open the mouth of the sign plus 9. Both are plus. और दोनों भी +9 ही है यानी दोनों सेम नंबर है sign also are same and the number are also same. So what I will do, in the introduction I have explained you, if both the number are same,
Yes.
both the sign are same, then what we will do,
We make two lines.
two lines. And what that sign is known as, वो sign को क्या बोलते हैं? Two lines you told right answer, but वो sign को क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? Okay, I will say you. You told the right answer. जो साइन को हम टू लाइंस में लिखते हैं, यू मीन टू से लाइक दिस ना? वेट, like this na?
Yes.
So this is known as the equal. Equal means both the number are same, so both are equal ना? दोनों भी equal है,
Yes.
कोई बड़ा नहीं है कोई छोटा नहीं है, because sign is also same and number is also same, so this sign is known as the equal sign. Okay. Now can you say me the fourth answer? -6 and 0. अब 0 पे आके करते हैं.
-6. -6.
By
Because 0 is a known number. No number and 6 have
why? Because easy. 0 is not a number. See here, as I told you na, that whenever the number is greater than the number on its immediate by लेफ्ट वन, यानी जब तक वन स्टार्ट नहीं होता है -1, तो उसके पीछे के सारे नंबर उनसे बड़े हैं. दैट मींस 0 आल्सो कम अंडर दैट ओनली ना?
yes.
0 भी उसी में ही आ रहा है ना. जब तक -1 नहीं आता तो 0 से लेके पॉजिटिव के जितने भी नंबर आते हैं वो -1 से बड़े ही है. ओके. तो अभी ये हमारा ग्रेटर है. 0 इज द ग्रेटर नंबर. ओके. देन -6 नॉट पॉजिटिव नंबर. अगर पॉजिटिव होता +6 होता तो 0 हमारा स्मॉलर होता, लेकिन यहाँ पर नेगेटिव साइन है, दैट्स व्हाई 0 इज ग्रेटर. ओके.
Yes.
ओके, नाउ म्यूट योरसेल्फ. Aman Patil, I have unmuted you. Aman Patil. Aman Patil.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, beta. Give me the answer of fifth question and sixth question. Fifth, 7 and 4. Which is the greater number? Seven. There is no sign in front of 7, right? Aman Patil. Okay. Bhavya, I have unmuted you, Bhavya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, beta. Give me the fifth and sixth answer.
fifth and sixth. 7 is greater than 4 and 3 is greater than 0.
Very good.
Now unmute myself.
Yeah, beta. 7 and 3. Okay. Now who is going to give me the answer? Samarth Vishwakarma. Can you hear me, beta?
Hello, teacher.
Yeah, beta. Give me the seventh answer. It is -7 and +7. So it will be the greater.
Teacher, only 7.
Okay, very good. Only 7 come under the positive number because it does not have sign. That's why it means it is a plus positive. +7. Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, beta.
Thank
Can you give me the 8 answer? Question number 8 answer.
Teacher, 5.
Very good. It is a 5. It is a 5. Why? Because it have a positive
5.
sign. It is a positive number. Very good. Mute yourself. Now who will give me? Sumit. Sumit.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, beta. Give me the ninth question answer.
Minus
You
2.
guys are writing on the chat
minus
box
2.
also. It is good.
Minus 2.
It is the -2 is the greater number.
Yes.
How? How, beta?
Because teacher, it is teacher, because it is in minus sign and
Both are minus ना.
yes.
अगर 80 the plus होता, अगर 2 plus में होता तो हम वहाँ पे साइन करते ना बेटा. Both are minus ना.
Yes.
So both are equal ना. So what which number which sign we will give? Both are minus sign. अगर दोनों minus sign है तो जो बड़ा number है हम उधर ही sign करेंगे ना.
Yes.
So where should I give the sign?
Equals to teacher.
Equals नहीं बेटा, equals नहीं.
Minus sign.
मेरा equal वो मतलब नहीं था equal.
Okay.
जो आप समझ रहे हो.
-8 teacher.
-8. वेरी गुड. -8 आएगा ना. -2 कैसे आएगा?
Okay.
-8. अगर ये प्लस होता तो फिर यहाँ पर हम साइन को यहाँ पर घुमा देते. लेकिन
Okay.
ये हमारा माइनस में है, ये भी माइनस में. दोनों की साइन सेम है. साइन सेम है मतलब दोनों को माइनस माइनस है. तो जो नंबर बड़ा है उधर ही हम वी विल ओपन द माउथ ऑफ द साइन. ओके.
Okay.
नाउ गिव मी द 10th आंसर.
-2.
Very good. Now understood?
Yes, teacher. Thanks.
Okay, mute yourself. Srushti, can you hear me? Srushti?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, beta. 11th answer.
Uh, 6 is bigger than 3.
Then not 3. It is -3. Okay?
Yes, -3.
Yeah, okay. Good. Mute yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
So see here. What is the question?
Ma'am.
Here what we have to do, we have to subtract the number in the top row, this row. It means this row. Okay, we have to subtract this number from the first column and write proper number in each empty box. In this empty box, we have to write the numbers. Okay, see here in your textbook there are many questions. If you can see on page number 20, that is after 3 it is written in the row, that is 8 minus 3 and minus 2. That all you have to do by your own. I am going to explain you the first example. Okay, what is this? Now you have to, here it is a sign, minus sign, so you have to subtract all this number from this minus sign and you have to solve here. So how you will solve? See, here it is 6 and 3. 3, first we will write a 3. 3 is a same, because if you, whatever number is there in this line you have to write the same 3. And what is here? First we will write here wait, huh? Wait a minute. Yeah. So here it is 6. 6 does not have sign. It means plus. So plus minus. Here it is a plus. 6 means plus. So plus and already minus is there. Plus minus equals to minus. So what you will write here? Minus 6. So what will be the answer? 3 minus 6 is equal to minus 3. Understood? Now see the next question. This all I will solve. Now see it. Okay. What is the next? Again you will take the 3 number. Okay, again you will take the 3 number. And what is the next in this column? That is 9. What is that? Is 9. So what we will do? So what we will do now here, we will write, first we will write the 3, as it is 3 number we will write, and here it is 9. 9 does not have sign, it means it is a plus. So plus and minus equals to minus. Plus and minus equals to minus. If the opposite sign is there, we will do a minus. So what this sign we will come here? Minus 9. So what will be the answer? 3 minus 9. So what will be the answer? 6. So it will be a minus 6. Okay. Now here it is minus. First we will take again this number 3. First we will write here 3. After that here is also a minus sign. Here is also a minus sign. So what we will do? 3 minus. Okay, minus minus equals to plus. But what we have to do, we have to first elaborate it. Elaborate मतलब उसको अच्छे से आपको explain करना पड़ेगा. These 2 questions write down in your book. After that I will rub it and explain you the 4th one. Okay, these 2 questions. Three I have written, minus sign I have taken. Okay, minus sign I have taken from here. 3 and minus sign I have taken in the bracket. I have written this minus 4. Okay, now same as it is, I am writing downside 3. 3 I have written. Okay, 3 I have written. Now minus minus equals to which number? Minus minus is there, so which sign will come? Minus minus equals to plus. Very good, very good. Minus minus equals to plus. So you will write here plus 4. What you will write here? plus 4. So it will become 3 plus 4, 7. It will become a 7. Understood how I have brought the answer? Understood? 7. Now, the last number. What is the last number? First, we will write the 3 as it is 3. After that, minus minus sign is there. First, we will write minus in bracket. Again, we will write minus 5. Okay. From where I am copying minus, this minus 5 in the bracket minus 5. Okay. I will put it in the now in the next line. In the next line, what I will write? First, I will write 3 as it is. Now, here minus 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 equals to plus. So we will write here plus and 5. So what will be the answer? 3 plus 5 equals to 3 plus 5 equals to, very good, 3 plus 5 equals to 8. Okay. So this is your answer. 3 plus 5 equals to 8. So how the number has came, you come to know now how we have to solve it. Okay.